Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV, showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar hold, outside bar go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yo, what is up? Bear Trader in the house. Sovereignty, D-Mitch, Ichimoku, what's up? Mahmood, Lay, Jack Boom, Rage GT, Turg, what is up? What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's had a good weekend. Let's get back to work here. Let's do it. Let's get back to work. Let's see, what am I trying to do here? Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Lay in the house, Jack Boom. What's going on? Rage GT, Turg. Cali St. Louis fan in the house. What's up? What's cracking? It's crack-a-lacking. Wild Boar, Degen Rob. Trades by Neo. Struggling on the funded, down 1,000. Oof. It's all right. It's all good, Rage. It's all good. Jason in the house, J-Ray, Martin, what's going on? Tim Korth. So I had a pretty good day today overall. I did trade a little bit this morning. I got these brand new funded accounts in my funded futures. I am stacked and loaded. Hopefully we can see what we can do with them. I'm gonna probably try to copy trade them. 2 pro accounts here, 50Ks, 3 My Funded Futures Flex accounts. Nice little daily payout on Take Profit Trader. And a little base hit on the old Lucids. Just looking for 300 bucks a day on the Lucid. Let's get some more green today. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I don't know. We'll see. We'll try to settle in here. Try to be a little patient. Boy, the market absolutely rug pulled you guys. Who bought up here? Be honest. Come on, who bought up here? Big Mike in the house. JLD54, J-Ray. 30,000 seems like a trap. Yeah, for sure. What's up, Kelly Kaufman? Yes, today is Memorial Day. Shout out to you, the veterans. Shout out. Assad in the house. What's going on? Caveman in the house. Need to learn to be like me. You don't want to be me. I have hemochromatosis and GERD. It could be worse. I did well on the way up, then stayed away on the VWAP bounce. Caught it twice. Wild night for sure. Yeah, it was kind of crazy. What's up, HR? Ethan? What's going on? So I had a nice little weekend. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed myself. Had some fun. Went to dinner a few times. What else did I do? Oh, I went to a little festival. That was kind of fun. Got outside. Did a little bike ride. It's pretty good. Pimpin', getting payouts sappy. Doesn't sound bad, K-Pin. No. Yeah, I've been doing really well with the payouts. I'll be fully honest with that. The daily payouts have been hitting. Let me take a look at YM actually. I want to look at YM. I did not trade the YM this morning. Yeah, that wouldn't have worked. I'm glad I didn't take it. A nasty reversal candle on the YM. So yeah, so market pushed up to 29,095. Rug pulled. You see I was scalping on the way up. Rug pulled it. Came all the way back down 910. And then ended up pushing right back up with this, I believe this some sort of news candle. Probably a Trump candle, I would say. Pushed right up to 90. And then rug pulled again and came right slamming back down. So that's where we're at. We're sitting right kind of in the middle of today's range. You know, maybe a little bit above the middle of the range. But yeah, pretty much just sitting right there. We'll see what we can do. There's a cocktail drink called Moose Fart. Ever had one? No, HR. What's good, Joseph? Real Robot in House Discipline Trader. What's going on? Apple. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. I want 300 likes tonight. 300 likes. Don't bot it. Let's get the real likes. We'll do some giveaways. I have My Funded Future Builder accounts to give away. My Funded Future Builder accounts. Great accounts to have. No activation fees on those bad boys, so I got some of those accounts to give away. Make sure you hit that like button. I expect some pretty good viewership tonight. Bernard in the house. Brutal. Johnny buys lands. Apple. Z-Moon. Starting my very first PA tonight. Oh, let's go, Livelywood. Good luck with that. Rio, thank you so much for the sub. Dean Bishop, KB the closer. Good afternoon from Montclair, New Jersey. How's it going? Going pretty well. I had a really good day. Take a look at my... I tweeted it out earlier. Also doing a giveaway over on my X account tomorrow, so giving away 2 builder accounts over there. So here's my day today. My Funny Futures Pro accounts looking pretty good. Scalping these little outside bars. Nice little base hit with the straight defunded Lucid accounts, 25Ks. And Take Profit Trader, 255 times 3 for a daily payout. We'll take that. My Funny Future account, to be honest with you guys, I accidentally fat fingered a trade with 5 minis. That's why it's up $1,190. I thought I was copy trading all 5 accounts. Whoops, I didn't have the copy trader on, so I put it on. I had on times 5, so 5 minis. Ended up making $1,190 on that. So thankfully, it went my direction. Thankfully for that. Tim Korth, use code PINE. That's right. Discuss some trader value accounts pass. How long does it take usually to sit pending? Oh, it's actually, it should be good, Jason. You should be good to upgrade them, actually. Yeah. I've done that, but usually it blows the account. Yeah, me too. Pretty rarely does it ever just like go and, you know, go your direction when you fat finger a trade. All right, market opens up here in about 2.5 minutes. Jeannie in the house. Happy Monday. Let's go. Yeah, I'm ready to get back to it. Well, to be honest with you, I was enjoying my little 3-day weekend. I was like, oh, I guess I gotta go stream for a couple hours. Let's do it though. But we're gonna have some fun. We got some giveaway accounts. I got some My Funny Future builder accounts. If you guys hit that like button and smash it, let's get that viewership up. AJ in the house, what's up? I fat fingered a trade last night, lost $600. That's usually the case. Aeromech, what's going on? Aeromech Trader. What's up, Maddie? Glenn? First one you can catch live? Let's go, Maddie. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. We'll do it at the end of the stream, though. I do want to give away a few accounts. Faz in the house. Thank you so much for the sub. Faj Rashad. Thank you for the sub. Fine, do you know if TPT counted Monday as a separate day than open? I have no clue. I tried looking everywhere. I don't know. If anyone knows, please say it in the chat. If Take Profit Trader counted Monday, if they count today or Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday is one day or not, or they count as separate. I tried looking everywhere. I couldn't find anything. BC Drums, Rio in the house. What's up, Rio? All one day. All right, Heavy D says all one day. So if you guys are trying to hit that 50% and you already hit 50% consistency, don't trade it. All right, here we go. Market is open. Are we going to go 30,000? Are we going to go to 30,000? That is everyone's. That's the question on everyone's mind. Ooh. Nice little volatility here to start to. Whoa. Hello. Let's go. We're back. Nice little 67-point opening range. All right, so I'm just going to be very simple. Just wait. I am going to probably try to trade this funded account or some of these funded accounts here. And I'm just going to look for little base hits, hopefully. I'm not going to copy trade them all. I'm just going to rotate them around. I'm going to look for, you know, $150, $200 on each account. Try that. Hey, what's up, Coach Fred in the house? Let the bleeding begin, Jonathan. Yeah, I mean, it's just everyone's looking for this right here, 30,000. If it's that easy to look to see that, and it's not gonna make it easy, right? I mean, if it, you know what I'm saying, it's just like it's just there. So every trader sees this 30,000 and just keeps rug pulling it. So will we take it out? Probably when we least expect it, just out of nowhere. He'll take it out. One of those deals. Guys, I got some My Funded Futures builder accounts to give away. That's the get payout every 3 days, end of day accounts. So pretty sweet accounts. $29,935. Let's take a look at ES. ES pushing down here. What's oil doing? A gap up on oil. We'll gap up on oil. See if I'm gonna be a little patient here tonight. Kind of just get my these are funded accounts, so try to get Monday started off nice and right. The nice thing about these accounts right here is if they counted today or last night and today as one day, then there's no consistency rule on all 5 of these My Funded Future accounts, so it doesn't really matter how much I make. What's up, Digital Nukes in the house? What's up, man? Let's get that likes up to 300. We'll do a giveaway. We'll start doing them probably in about an hour and a half. Towards the end of the stream. I don't want to interrupt the trading. But we got some good accounts to give away. You like to trade ES? Do you like to trade it at night too, Rio? I don't like to trade it so much at night usually. I don't really trade it at all, but Fife in the house, Moneymaker, Netflix, Joey Adams, TJP, Trader Mo's, what's up? It's Mo, bro. Ari, Order Flow. You hate Trade C? I've never traded it. I've heard some not good things with it. Witch on the Roof. Well, thank you. TPT isn't allowing me to trade. Shows liquidation mode, though I'm up past the threshold. They might have passed you. Or is it a funded, Jason? It's in funded accounts? I don't know. Check your drawdown. Is it trailing max drawdown? What does that say? Okay, TPT is having an issue right now with their guys. Be careful, guys. Just be careful. Try to exit all. All right, yeah, exit all. Make sure you no financial advice. Make sure you just kind of exit all. Do that, because if the orders start to pop up like ghost orders, you want to make sure. See, this is why we have a good community, right? This is why we do this. Take profit traders down, guys, at the moment. So just you know, make sure that you exit all, hit that, and don't keep smashing the buttons. Thanks, guys. Take profit is down. Is it on Rhythmic? Yeah, what are you guys trading on that's down? Is it Rhythmic or Trade-of-8? That's all I have is one TPT 25K funded. Yeah, not worth messing with it. I don't know what they're trading on though. It could be Trade-of-8 or Rhythmic. Oh, so Trade-of-8 and TradingView? Okay. Trade-of-8? All right. So they're having issues with Trade-of-8 right now. Not sure the reason, but just be cautious. You don't want to be cautious. Not worth losing the account. And full honesty right here, Take Profit Trader does not have the best customer support. I'm sure you guys already know that. They have gotten a little better, but definitely not the best. Believe it or not, the best customer support in the prop space, Buellanox. I'm telling you, Buellanox has the best customer support. Oop. Gonna move my fan here. Should I avoid trading my Lucid account with Trade-of-8? I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna throw a trade on here on this account if I see something. I'm actually gonna switch to micros too, because the spread is nasty on the NQ. So switch to 5 micros here if I see something. Looks like we might put in an inside bar here. I might take it. Try for a scalp. My Funny Futures flex. Labarto in the house. Lucid has amazing customer support. Let's go. About time along this. Guys, Lucid is one of my favorite props. No question about it. I mean, they just do things right. Their marketing's good. Their accounts are good. Yeah, they just do things right. You guys voted Lucid as the #1 prop firm amongst the Pinecone community, so that's pretty cool. What's up, Learner Doctor in the house? What's up, man? Apex's customer support is horrendous. I haven't had to deal with them in a long time. Knock on wood, I haven't actually had to deal with customer support for anyone in a long time. Might just be a little lucky on that. Are we gonna get a little push down here off this outside bar? 5-minute chart. I might try it. Yeah, go on to the MNQ chart. Inside bar, I mean. Try a little break of this. Actually, I'm gonna size down a bit. It's pretty wide stop, actually. 3 micros. I'm gonna look to possibly a negative R&R. Look to push down that 2,900, 29,900. If we break that outside bar, inside bar, man. Sorry guys, I'll get warmed up. Haven't streamed in 3 days. I gotta get warmed up. But if you guys are new to the channel, do not follow my trades because, you know, just don't. Just don't. A little outside bar in there in 2 minute here. I wanted to see this react real quick. All right, I'm gonna take that trade off. 2 minutes putting in this outside bar. Kind of just chopping inside this little range here, the 5 minute. I almost want to wait till it breaks out of this 5 minute though, you know. Fiber Splice in the house. Coach Fred, Daryl Crummy Basement is unmatched. It really is. Oh, I was gonna try to find that video and send that to someone the other day. Adam Daz, what is up? NQ bottom of the rage, crypto thing will bounce or break. Yeah, kind of what I'm thinking. I mean, I wanted to see that react real quick off that. But we could put in another 5 minute inside bar. We do have an outside bar on a 2 minute. I might try this one. This one's a little cheaper. I hate longing when the VWAP's right there, or shorting when it's just up above that, the trade, or just below the trade. I hate that. All right, long. 5 micros on the flex. See how I just smacked its head off that VWAP? I freaking hate that. If it's like 10, 15, if it's like 15, 20 points away, then I don't really mind, but I hate it when it's just like just above, you know. I'm gonna try the long. Yes, Futures Lab in the house. How's my day going? Really good day today, actually. Yeah, super green. Ended up getting more daily payouts. Take Profit Trader. Can't beat that. $255 times 3 accounts. Absolutely been crushing it. Have not reset those 50Ks accounts once in like 2 weeks. And been getting daily payouts every single day. I'm just kind of wondering when they're going to try to move me to Pro Plus. That's kind of the goal. So we get moved to Pro Plus. That way I get to 90-10 split. Immediately reverse here off that VWAP. So I am trading these funded accounts here. I probably will rotate them around. If I get stopped out, I'll probably rotate to the next flex instead of copy trading them all tonight. I knew I hated that trade. I knew it. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. If you guys want to join the giveaway, I'm giving away my Funded Future Builder accounts tonight. Reading the numbers, what's up? How was everyone's weekend? Did you guys sit there and trade all day, or what? Did you guys actually take a break? All you degens in there in the chat. I traded today. I traded this morning. Didn't trade anything remotely after, I would say, 9:30. I don't think, maybe 10. So I just traded a little bit, sat on the couch, on my laptop, did a little trading. Didn't even come to my desk. I didn't even come to this computer. I didn't even turn it on. Caught up with some sleep, Sleepy Mocha. I took a nap this afternoon too. Was working today, Coach Fred. Nice. Any major news? No. Not that I know of. No trades, ES Future Lab? No. Yeah, I had a really good day, actually. Don't know how today's going to be. So far, not starting out too good on this trade, but it's just kind of chopping around here. Another inside bar on a 5-minute chart. C Trader, what is going on? You painted grass seed? Oh, you planted grass seed. Sorry. You planted grass seed, haul in 2 yards of topsoil and where you cut a tree down. Oh, nice. Yeah. Little, the old yard work, doing yard work. C Trader, what's up? Doing all right. Trying to take a long off this outside bar. Smacked its head off the VWAP on the 2-minute and pulled right back in. So don't really like that. Need a little momentum to get up through that VWAP. Don't know if I'll get it though. Risking 170. Trying to bounce here off that 20 again. Ooh, looking choppy on the 2-minute, just consolidating right at this 920s. You just never know. You never know what type of market you're gonna get in the glowbacks. You know, you could just pop off that outside bar and just rip it. Today I decided to just pull back in and just go sideways. It's like we're gonna get stopped though here. I just have a feeling. Come on, you 920 people, just buy it up here. All kinds of zero prints up to the upside too. If we can actually make a little move. Let's take a look at the hourly real quick. Oh, well, look at that hourly. We still have the Sunday, the open gap from Sunday night. I caught a lot of this move actually. The Sunday night, I ended up just going with the gap. So that was a lot of the trading I did. Just went with a gap. Ended up passing all 5 of these accounts. So I was on day 2 of all the 3 flexes and 2 pros. End up catching that. And, you know, traded them pretty much max size. Got them passed. And then, you know, traded the fundeds this morning. Choppy. Can we trade into the gap before continuing higher? Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I kind of think we have a little rug pulling coming. I just you know, was hoping to just scalp, you know, maybe 10, 15 points off that outside bar, but yeah, I think a lot of that Sunday night open could get repaired, right? Let's get a little break of 25. Come on, man. Take profit down. Yes, guys, take profit trader. They're having some issue or something. Trade-Evade, take profit trader. Guys, don't trade it. How do you calculate quickly how much the risk per trader? Just 5 micros. I don't really calculate it that much. I just kind of was like, oh, that stops. Well, first of all, I was looking at the size of this 5-minute candle. I was like, oh, that's a pretty wide stop. I'm like, I don't really want to trade a mini on it. So I was like, well, I'm just going to size down a little bit. But what I have been finding is that, like, if I just trade like 2-3 micros, it's just like, I just overtrade. I'm so much better just trading a little bit heavier size, looking for my few points, and then just calling it. If I start trading 2 micros, nice little outside bar break here. So let's see if we can get some continuation now. I'm trying to get above that VWAP. Come on. Maybe I look for my $155. That locks in the days traded. Actually, it doesn't, because today probably counts as 1. So I want to front run that. Well, I do want to front run that 50 level if it wants to pop up there. That would have been a pretty good ad spot if I was trading really aggressive. That's a whole new setup. 2-minute. Little inside bar break. You just got to get above this VWAP. Trying to get a nice close. I'm trying to talk up my trade. I'm going. So this is what when I'm in front of you guys, I try to talk it up. But when I'm by myself, I just blow on it. I just go, come on, get up there. Really? Let's take it off there. Guys, you remember last time we traded? It did that to me twice, and I ended up losing the account. It literally went up by and missed me by just a few ticks. And I ended up top ticking it, and then I bottom ticked it, and it did it back and forth, and I ended up losing the account. So look at that. It just did it again. But nice little, let's see, 31 to 44, so 12, 13 points. Yeah, take profit traders down. The pine tree getting on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Well, no, they're not terrified. They've just been moving me in the live. That's what they've been doing lately. It's like, oh, we're going to move them to live. That's what Trade Day did. Guys, I still have my Trade Day live account. 0 losing days on it. I made a video on it this weekend, but I just find it so boring to do those videos where I stream live and I just tell you guys, like, oh, this is what I'm doing. Let's take a look at the Trade Day account, the live account. It's a nice little trade there. Get things started. Keep blowing pine, you want 960? Yeah, we could keep pumping here. We have some 0 prints up to the upside here too. 951, 956, 959, this 960s. Take a look at NQ. All kinds of 0 prints up through here. All through the 960s. We could actually keep pumping here. I could switch accounts. See if we can pull up that Trade Day account. So yeah, I made another withdrawal out of it. Another withdrawal, so still got my $6,000 starting. But yeah, really nice. This is what we got going. I'm up $3,256 since I started the live account. 18 trades, 83% win rate. Nice little equity curve here. Nice little equity curve. Average winning trade 244. Average losing trade 103. The average winning trade actually, the largest one, was because of a fat finger. And I've only traded YM, so no NASDAQ whatsoever. Only YM. One mini YM. So actually, the 560 wasn't a fat finger trade. I think that was like one of the first trades I took. I did fat finger a trade and get in 2 minis and made $400 on one day, but really I'm just looking for $200 a day. You can actually see it, $200-300. Let's see. But yeah, anyways. So that's what I've been doing on the old trade day. You see, I don't even pay for NASDAQ. I only trade YM. Keeps me a little more disciplined. All right, here we are getting that push up here. I think we go higher if I had to guess, but thanks for pointing that out. I'm trying to inside candle and strategy. 25 votes, good to go, good enough. Yeah. So I do the best, Will. It's like when I just know what I need to make for the day for a profit. So sometimes I'll just chip away at it. Like sometimes I'll just scalp like 5-6 points. I'm like, all right, well that's $100. Like I need to make, say I'm looking to make 250 that day or something. I'm like, well, there's 100 towards that 250. You know, I don't have to get it all in one trade. And then I'll say, oh, well, there's another 5 points. There's 200. Well, let's just see if I can get another trade, or maybe I get 10 points or something out of the next trade. Next thing you know, up $300-400. And I'm like, yeah, that's good. So that's kind of the way I've been trading lately. 2F by boat in the house. This range is making my head hurt. Yeah. I was trying to enter shorts at open. Little box popped up saying order entered or some BS. More than 5 seconds later, the order pops up and ran. I was wrong. It wasn't DLL. It was breach. Oh. So I made a little short video today. I'll talk about it. Nice little outside bar here on the... Yeah, I want to talk about a little bit about with Trade Day Live account. You have to pay the data. Yeah, most live accounts that you get with these prop firms, you have to pay the live data, which kind of sucks. $150 a month or whatever it is. It's kind of sucks. Why such a large size to make $200? One mini for $200. Just because there's less points I gotta get. So usually when I trade, I'll trade on momentum, so I can usually get it pretty quickly. That's the reason. But just trading on the momentum. Oftentimes, like if there's some good volatility going and I can take a break off one of these outside bars or whatever, or just kind of follow the trend, sometimes I don't have any drawdown at all, so just kind of it just happens real quick. So it's kind of like I was inspired by like Alpine Trader doing that. This is someone that's pushing probably 500,000-600,000 in payouts. So, and it was kind of inspired by that, just looking for that quick hits. And so, I've been doing that a little bit more lately. Sometimes I go away from it. I don't know, but yeah. Is Monday and Tuesday being treated as one day with TPT? Anyone? Yeah, Bobby Diggs. I heard it is. People in the chat said it is. So if it's not, then we can blame the people in the chat. It's a good idea. I always get greedy and try $500 every day, which is when I overtrade because I'm 300 up and don't stop. $500 a day is a lot. I mean, I was trying to do that with a 25K take my funded futures. Look at that little rug pull here. Nice little outside bar break. But yeah, I mean, you figure it's half the drawdown with the 25K that I was trying to make. So it's 50% of the whole drawdown, trying to make $500. Because where I only have $1,000 in drawdown. So yeah, 500 a day can be pretty tricky. Look at this. Look at this death candle here. Goodbye, 30,000. We'll see you in a little bit. This is pretty bearish. It's not quite an engulfing candle, but pretty much. Bottom of the hour too, 5:30, 6:30 Eastern time. I see what you mean, BC Drums. Yeah. Wiki. Yeah, it is. NASDAQ, the NQ, I always said do that. NASDAQ really, the spread is kind of nasty, so MNQ is actually a little better right now. Look at that buy up here. Did we take out the low? Double bottom here. We get a low at 910 on that candle and a low of 910.25. Ooh, you dirty. Nasty NASDAQ here. That's on NQ. What did NQ do? Ooh, we got equal lows here. Come on, give me a setup to take this bad boy lower. We got equal lows here on NASDAQ. Just give me something. All right, I'm going to scale into this. I don't usually trade like this, but I like this low to get taken out here. Don't know when, but let me look for some levels here. Freaking group mode. Tradeovate, can you just please... First of all, get your platform working for Take Profit Trader. Second of all, can you just get it so that ATM brackets work with when you copy trading, please and thank you. I mean, come on. All right, I'm 3 micros short here. Copy trading all accounts. And I will add into this a little bit. If we start to pull back or pull back in, I'll add back more. But I'm looking to take out the low here. Do I use TradeSyncer to copy trade? I used to when I was copy trading all those Apex accounts. I did. Has anyone heard what's going on with TPT? No, it is down though. Take Profit Trader's down, guys. Trade with caution with Tradeovate. Take Profit Trader. Yeah, we got equal lows here, down here. So it's the same thing with that 30,000 though. That's what makes me nervous, is that you kind of know it's there. And you kind of have a good feeling that it's probably going to take that out. But it's like, when? Is it going to like push way up back up here before it wants to push back down? But I'm just in some micros here. Gonna do a little DCAing probably. Can't go long, can't go short. Yeah. What does the equal lows mean to me? It means that it's a good high probability that it's going to get taken out. That it's going to go back and revisit that area. That's what it means to me. So anytime I see something like that, I use that for a target. Something like that. But it's just like little nuanced stuff that sometimes you'll find on the chart where I'll put that in. And I usually like look at only NASDAQ, like NQ. Like if MNQ does that, I don't really pay attention. But if NQ does that, then that's like usually what I try to target. I don't know what that was. A little copy trader issue, but I don't know. I might have tried to take it off too much. I'd have to rewatch my stream. I don't know what I just did there, but made 178 bucks off your trades. Nice, Namp. Don't follow my trades. But nice job. The next trade I take, you could lose 300, so just beware. I'm really good at giving back my profits live on stream. Getting a nice little start, first 30 minutes of the stream, and then giving it all back. Time 2 hours goes in. Maybe it's time to start fading me for the next guys, I wanna watch. I wanna watch at the casino. Something I'll never wear. I have to give that away to a friend or something. Let's see. You try to make around 2,500, 300 in both Asia and New York session. No, not necessarily Netflix. It's just just trying to trade for stream right now. But here's the thing. So $200 or $300 once I'm with my 25K accounts because of consistency rule. So that's why I try to make 300 bucks on those. And then on my take profit trader accounts that are all over the buffer, the three of them, 350Ks, if I make between 200 to 300 bucks, or you know, if I get lucky and make 400 on those accounts, I look at it like that's like, you know, like a $700-800 payout or paycheck every day. So that's the only reason why I do that. But until I get over that buffer, I push the button until I get over the buffer. But once I'm over that, then yeah. Did you make anything in that last trade? Yeah, not much. Up 206 on this one. I think right around 89 on the rest. Just the micros. Do you work with Lucid, Hafi? Yeah. Use code PINE. I have 3 Lucid accounts right now that I'm working on, 25Ks. Had a nice day with those. I trade for about 7 to 10 hours a day. My goal is 700 to 800 per hour. Nice, Phoenix. Yeah, I don't want to trade 7 to 10 hours a day, but hey, if you wanna do that, and I mean, actually, I don't trade that much. If I had to add up my trading, so I trade 2 hours. Let's just say I trade 3 hours minimum for stream. So I trade 3 hours there a day. So that's 3. And then I usually trade, I would say 4. So I would say maybe 4 hours a day. That's minimum. And if I'm trying to pass some evals sometimes at night or something, that'll be, you know, I could get 5-6 hours. So yeah. Yeah, I guess I trade a little more than I think. A lot of it's for stream, so. For me, this is my favorite is just to do a trade like something like that. And if I was a little bit heavier size, you know, that would have been a nice $200-300 maybe with one mini. But I just could not risk it just with 5 accounts like that, especially when the market's just jumpy and wicky like this. But yeah, just making a little trade like that and being done. That's my favorite. You love night trading over New York, so yeah, I'm glad you. Oh yeah, so I was gonna talk a little bit of something about that. My favorite setup lately has been stuff like this on the 5-minute. This is why I have the 5-minute chart pulled up. So I made a little short video about it. But when I look for these outside bars and I see an inside bar after, I've been liking taking that break of that inside bar when I see an outside followed by an inside, and then also vice versa. So when I see an inside followed by an outside, I've been like taking that setup too. It's just super simple, kind of a little three candlestick pattern. Here's one right here. So you have an, well, actually you have an inside. This was a jumbled up mess, but it's not really a good example. That was nastiness. But yeah, just looking for this. If I see a candle like this outside bar or an inside bar followed by an outside bar, then looking for the break of that outside. Let me find a better one here. Here's one. So this is a little pattern that I've been looking for. Inside bar followed by an outside bar, and then I just look for the break. So I would go long off this candle here. It looks something like that. And so I've been looking for that on the 5-minute chart. It's been working really well. Because if the theory behind it is where people tried to go short off that consolidation candle, which is that doji inside bar, and then say it broke down after put in this 5-minute inside bar, it broke down, pushed down, and then immediately reversed back up through. So basically just ran the stops, and then it gets a little continuation on the opposite side. And the only reason why I started looking for this just because I've been stopped out so many times trying to trade this, and then what I would do is end up flipping the switch. So instead of losing on the first trade, I just been waiting for this pattern and then been taking that trade. But when you've been saying that you've been liking trading at night, that's a lot. Oftentimes at night, that's exactly what I've been doing. Is just looking for a trend, because so many times during Asia we can get a little trend going on, especially after the Globex open. So after the first hour, 2 hours of the session, and then it goes into Asia, and then sometimes it starts to do the zombie crawl. And so like on TPT, this is what I've been doing. I've just been hopping in, you know, trying to get in on maybe a break of an outside bar, or just doing this. It sounds so simple, but just literally, I get my hotkeys to work here. I hate it when my hotkeys don't work. But just looking for, that's horrible. That's horrible too. What is going on here? But anyways, just, yeah, I see it like how it just starts to trend, and then just getting in on a little pullback, hopping in on the trend, risk a couple $100 and then sit, and then hope it hits my take profit at like a couple $100, and then I hit the profit and lock in my daily payouts. It's kind of what I've been doing, and it's been during the slower session. Whoops. So that's what I've been doing. Anyways, that was a long-winded explanation for little information. Adrian Chong in the house. What's up? Gary, what's up? Hoping to win an account? Yeah, I mean, good chance. You never know. What's the deal with that copy trade? One made 1,200, the other one's 400. Do you lead account have more contracts in your setup? Oh no, I didn't copy trade earlier, and I already made a few trades on that other account. Jonathan. Yeah, I already made a few trades on that one account prior to me copy trading. But then when I saw that equal low, I had so much confidence in it. It got me so excited. Like I was getting like, I was like, whoa. I'm like, I need to trade this on all my accounts. So I ended up just copy trading them all. I was excited. I was almost like I was just like chewing on the blue chew. Guys, 300 likes. Let's get 300 likes. We got 300 and something people watching. I want to get 300 real likes in here before we do a giveaway. I got My Fun and Future Builder accounts to give away. Some sweet accounts. Crypto King. I was waiting for someone to say something. It's like, yeah, I just chewed on the old blue chew. I got really excited there. I was like, whew, equal lows on NASDAQ. I'm like, come on. And then you see we ran those equal lows. Has pushed down nicely, bouncing off that 80. And see what we do from here. Johnny in the house. What's up, Johnny? Smash the like, Rio says. So yeah, that's one of my goals right now is My Fun and Futures to hopefully get to a live account. This is going to be one of my goals with them. Just being one of the hosts on the TV show. Knowing that I can do it with Trade Day, and then I've had the account for over 3 weeks now, and I've been trading one trade a day. Just being really disciplined on it, not revenge trading. It's pretty easy when my strategy's been working really, really good. But just trying to get that live account with them, you know, as one of the hosts, and just a little flex. Trying to get those payouts as well. Because if I get, you know, if I get a payout, then I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna try to build up the account so much, but it'd be nice to be a live trader with them. I don't want. I mean, we're gonna let Ash be the only live trader on My Fun and Futures TV. Come on. Every morning I talk about my live account, but it's not with My Fun and Futures TV. And of course, I can't say like, oh, I'm live with Trade Day. I just say it's my live account. But you guys know where it's at. And then, yeah, kind of going from there, just building it up. Currently right around 30,000 in payouts with My Fun and Futures. So I'd like to be able to, they do have a 100K payout cap. So if I can keep pushing it, get a nice payout. That's why I ended up getting pro accounts too. Had a big day on this pro account today, $1,200 bucks. That was a big day. The nice thing about the pro account is that they don't really restrict their contracts, and there's no consistency rule, and also there's no minimum days to trade to get to a payout, except that you have to be over the buffer, and then if you're over every 14 days, I think you can take a payout, but you don't even need to trade those days. Like, as long as you make a trade like every 5 days where you just basically flip the account, you can get a payout every 14 days. So that's pretty sweet too, right? What if you already have a builder account and win another? I think you can only have one at a time, right? If it's funded, yeah, you can only have one funded at a time, Adrian. But if it's an eval, you're okay. If it's an eval, you can keep trading it. Tommy C in the house. I'm a bear, so I belong here. Let's go. Blue Chew will get you bullish. Yeah. Do you have funded My Fun and Futures accounts, or just Lucid or Take Profit Trader, Netflix? These are all funded that I'm trading tonight. All these two pro accounts, these 3 flex are all funded. Yeah, this is a flex. Yep. Yeah, I got 3 flex, 2 pros. Have one in the back burner? Yeah, you can, for sure. You didn't know that? Thanks. Yeah, no problem, Adrian. Yeah, I mean, if you're trading the eval, you're fine. You should be fine. You should. Yeah, no, actually, I've traded more than one build. Yeah, definitely, because I've had builder accounts that hit daily loss limit and then got another builder account. A little tilty that day, I think. Would suggest to target one on inside bar range. Nice. Yeah. So I did. So Netflix. I don't know how long. If you were with me when we back tested one night inside bars on a 2-minute chart, on just doing 1-to-1s, and so every single inside bar we ended up taking, and was looking for 1-to-1 on the 2-minute chart, and it turned out to be like 50-50. So it wasn't great. And that's when we discovered was taking 1-to-1s off the outside bars, and that actually turned out to be about 70% that night. So it was actually a pretty good shot on the 2-minute chart. You can request payouts more than 1,000 each day. Wow, yeah. Oh, on Take Profit Trader? Yeah, Take Profit Trader, you can withdraw up to $9,999 a day. So if you get 10,000 in one day, then they lock you out, move you to Pro Plus. But yeah, you can withdraw. You can have 5 accounts, hit $9,999 that day, and withdraw yeah, actually you could withdraw $9,999 if you chose, times 5. But yeah, anything over the buffers, you can withdraw. You actually can withdraw more than that. It's just you can't hit 10,000 in one day. So that's why people like Take Profit Trader so much, because you can actually make, once you're over the buffer, you can make a lot of money. A lot of money. You guys, where's Take Profit Trader? Is it back to 40%, or where's Take Profit Trader now? When you use code PINE, or is it still 50%? What a sale that they've been doing with that 50%. Although they're having issues right now tonight, so with the trade of 8, so be careful with that. All right, market chopping sideways now. Made some nice trades so far. When you use code PINE, it repairs trade of 8. That's right. That is correct. What's up, Jinzo in the house? Is Take Profit better than Apex? Yeah, in my opinion. Sorry, Apex, if you're listening, but it is my favorite. Do you think Lucid, they made all the other companies for 50%? Yeah, isn't the competition's great amongst these companies? I mean, Take Profit Traders back up. All right, guys. Yeah, the competition's great. You can only win an account if you join the Discord? No. No, it makes it easier if you join the Discord. It is free. I'll put the Discord link in the chat. All right, just waiting here. Placed a few trades here. Up 200 on this account. These are all my funded futures funded. Up 90 on, or 88. Yeah, 88 on the rest. Took out that equal lows. That was. It went so quick. It went so good. I wish I would have full ported everything, but I didn't. Let's put the link of the. Here's the link. There's the link. A lot more coming to the downside. I agree. I think we eat back most of this, as you know, I don't know when, but this kind of fake pump up Sunday night open just ripped higher. I do think we eat back some of this for sure. Going for the gap. Yeah, I could. Yeah, we still have that big open gap down here below 670s. We did rug pull the 30,000, which is hilarious. And then, yeah, we're pushing back down. There's a Discord link in the chat. If you guys want to join the Discord, it is completely free. Just don't be a jerk. Don't post any links. I had to ban some people over the weekend, guys. And guys, don't click on any links, right? If that happens to get a scammer in the chat, like, I might not see it right off. They do it in the middle of the night sometimes, but yeah, just do your due diligence, okay? And also, like, I'll never message you guys. I mean, that's not me sending you the links to my OnlyFeet page. That's not me. That's a scammer. Yeah, I don't have an OnlyFeet page, so that's not me. Oliver Ryan's question. Yeah. No, that wasn't me, Mo. No, that wasn't me. No, I'm not gonna trade you Bitcoin for the 10,000 you sent. All right, push down to the 80s here, getting that bounce here. Another outside bar. So tough to try to take this back to the opposite side. I just don't feel good about it. We are downtrending tonight. I mean, we're in a down channel. No question about it. They had some nice feast picks. Yeah, thank you. Only cones. About to long this. Yeah. My only cones page. Only pine cones and acorns on that page. U.S. forces carried defensive strikes in southern Iran. Oh, wow, Dan, yeah. Yeah, more tensions, huh? What's up, Sandy? That's like this 15 ceasefire and extension agreement violated? Yeah, I know. Isn't it nuts? So silly. I report and block everyone. I'm getting thank you notes from Discord. Yeah, I've gotten thank you notes from Discord. Yeah. What's up, Zabak? 30,000 tonight? I don't know. I thought we were going to get it today. I thought we were going to, yesterday. Technically, yesterday's trading day. I thought, I was like, man, we're going to push up. And I thought about I couldn't believe it pulled it off 5 points just below. So typical, a little front run rug pull at 95 and then just yanked. But oftentimes you'll see like the big whole numbers, whether it's say 27,000 or 29,000 or whatever. Before it takes it out, it will usually rug pull it like 10 to 5 points before. People will, front run it. It's just like a NASDAQ thing. You see it doing all the time. Kind of like just a nuanced thing, like just like those equal lows on that 2 minute right there at 9, 10, 25. But still grinding lower here. Congratulations, guys, are still holding the short. Look on gold. We can take a look at gold here. What do we got? Take a look at the old gold. What's gold up to? Gold pushing higher. And also a sign where CL actually gapped up at the open. It has filled the gap, but it did gap up. And it is trying to push back higher, it looks like. which is usually not good for NASDAQ. I know gas prices are creeping up again. Costing like $50 to fill the old Corolla up. I mean, that's not cool. Do I still trade gold or NQ? I've only really been trading NQ and YM. The other day on My Funny Futures TV, I took a gold trade and got absolutely kabooshed. I got smoked on it. I was like, man, I'm like, I don't even trade it. $29.89.75 here, just chopping along here. Waiting for something good. Top of the hour. Soul Shift. Do I use order flow? No, I don't. Do we need to be present to claim the prize? Yeah. Cost you $1,400 to fill my boat with gas this weekend. That sucked. Oof. Yeah, man. Oh, getting that push down here. Still taking out, making a new session low, 877.25. Yeah, I'm starting to see a lot of that stuff go on sale, Arch Diesel. Boats, trucks, motorhomes, jet skis. Anything that takes a lot of gas. I've been seeing a lot of that stuff go on sale now. Saw a pretty sweet one of those jet ski boats. I was like, it's in really good condition. And I was like, that'd be pretty fun. Look, the new Ram. Do I prefer 2-minute over 5-minute these days? Yeah, for scalping, yeah. Netflix, yeah. Especially, I don't know, for stream, I've been preferring it. I've been really specific, just looking for like that type of setup where the inside and outside bar, you know, the combination. Looking for that types of breaks. It's kind of a reason why I just kind of keep it up on the side there. I'm kind of turning into a negative R&R trader for the most part, but you know, a lot of my trades, they start off to be negative R&R, but really if you go and you look at my statistics over like the last month, this is a nice bounce here. I usually end up right around 1-to-1 anyway. Like 70, if I'm around 60 to 70% 1-to-1, usually I'm trading pretty well. Nice little outside bar here. Do we let's join up here. Let's join the bid. Stop at the low. Risking about $90. Pretty big candle here. Three micros each account. Still in downwards channel, but that was a pretty nice buy up off the low. See if we get a little expansion to the upside. Just maybe a little temporary relief bounce here. I'm in, man, three micros each account. These are my funded futures funded. A nice little break here. I'd like to see some momentum off it though. And I'm not going to look for a lot, but I'm just going to try to look for 10, 15 points, which is what I would usually look for. Maybe move my stop after we can get that. Stops at 876.75. Pay me what I'm owed, just like the song says. NASDAQ. You know what's weird about these flex accounts? They start off at 0, and the pro accounts start off at 50,000, even though they're all funded. I just noticed that. It did that today. I hate accounts that start off at 0. I hate it. I've gotten used to it, but it does mess with me mentally sometimes, or used to. Oh, I guess we're going to have to be a little patient here. We're going to get up over that 900. Wow. It's just consolidating right here after that nice buy up off the low. I expected a little more of a quicker move, but I guess that's when you're used to watching the old New York session. Inside buy. Guys, exclamation point pine in the chat. Crude creeping up. Yeah, Jonathan, that wouldn't be good for my long here, but exclamation point pine in the chat. We will do a My Funded Futures giveaway. We get to 300 likes. We got a couple hundred people watching, so let's try to get those likes up. 386. Holy cow. Could this be a record? No pressure. Trading in front of 400 people. No pressure. But wow. Nice nice viewership tonight. Thank you guys so much for being here. They're not making it easy on me tonight, are they? Oh, we peaked at 399 viewers. We didn't quite get over 400. We peaked at 399. Nice, though. I like that. Guys, if you're new to the channel, I do stream here every single night. Stopped out Still at 52 bucks, but man, that's a little disappointing. Nice little break on that outside bar. A little buy up off the low, but yeah, don't fight the trend, right? I guess we're just gonna stick with that downtrend for now. I stream every single night, 5:45 Eastern time. The Globex Open. And then I stream every single morning at 10 a.m. for My Funded Futures TV. But yeah, we almost hit 400 people tonight. 399, I know. We've had over 400 before, but concurrently right now we have almost 380, 3 something. So yeah, it's been growing. I mean, we were concurrently at like 250s, and then it's been hovering around 300s. So glad to see you guys are hanging out. I know we're doing a giveaway too. That always helps, right? Bottom the old Bollinger Bands, yeah. Yeah, it's just definitely, we got the old channel, the down channel going on. I tried it. I mean, it was a nice reaction off the low. Thought we could get a little momentum, and I was only going to look for like 910s, 915s right up in this area and take it off, but couldn't. It had other ideas. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold pushing higher, 45.81. I've been watching a lot of this pawn shop channel on YouTube. It's pretty good. Not Pawn Stars, but like text that channel called. Pawnbroker Pickers. Pawnbroker Pickers. That's what I've been watching. It's kind of funny. It's like a reality show in this guy's pawn shop. It's a little independent channel, which is kind of cool. Down in Winter Haven, Florida. Jesus, what's up? Yup, Chewy, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I got shots a couple times back to back, 200 to 1100 brutal, got 11 NQ. Yeah, it's. I tried the reversal there off that low, and I got kabooshed. See if I can get my hotkeys to work. Yeah, this downtrend. There we go. Like Sean just said, or someone just said, I think Sean. Yeah, it's you know, the old Bollinger Band probably just doing this number, and kind of stuck in the down channel at the moment. Got Tokyo Open in 45 minutes. Guys, we'll do a giveaway in about 15 minutes if you guys get those likes up to 300. I don't know where we're at, but let me check. I'll even help you out. Oh, what do we have? Forex Ike just donated money. I didn't even see it. What's up? Forex Ike in the house. What is up? Thanks so much for the 10 bucks. Let's go. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Hope you're enjoying the weekend. Dude, that was a crazy video with when that car caught on fire and you were running around Wall Street there. Always something in New York City. I'm telling you, if you're a vlogger, this is why Casey Neistat, the YouTuber, is so big. I mean, there's always something going on down in the NYC. Always. Like, you just pull your camera out, start walking the streets, you'll see something to vlog about, you know. But yeah, that was hilarious. I was laughing so hard. All right, getting this push back up here off the low. Kind of took my wind out of my sails, getting stopped out with that pretty big stop out there. But still green. Yeah, Forex Ike, one of my fellow hosts on My Funny Futures TV. You guys haven't joined and hopped on My Funny Futures TV in the mornings, every single morning. The best prop firm TV show on the prop streets. I was trying to bounce above that 80s there. Asia session might take us back up. Oh, during Tokyo Open, yeah. I felt really good about that trade. I actually felt pretty confident. Just the way it reacted. That nice little bounce off that low, but it's just playing the channel, I guess. I thought we were gonna at least go up and test that. We still could any moment. Get a nice little bullish 5 minute. I don't know. It's just that 30,000 just lurking up there. Even tonight it pushed up to 990. I didn't even really notice that, but yeah, it did. Pushed up to 990 and then pulled again. Today, yeah, that 90.75 on that high. And then yeah, the 995 on that high. Well, we definitely have a lot of room to the downside though. Lots of room. Big open gap down here that can be filled. I believe ES the same. Yeah, big open gap on the ES. Does YM have a big open gap? Yeah, YM as well. Tricky. Yeah. It's one of those things is where, you know, I hate kind of knowing that information because I like to have no bias when I come into the market where, you know, I'm just looking for my little scalp and be done. But when you start to see that type of stuff, it's tough not to kind of have a bias like, well, maybe we are going to push down towards that level, or I mean, that's the way it feels right now. Guys, we got 300 likes, so let me see how many people we got in the giveaway. I'm sure it's a lot. 383. Yeah. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Another little bounce here off the 57. The 58 Finet fair value gap on the 5 minute. Big outside bar on a 5 minute too. All right, guys, let me do this. Let's do a giveaway. All right, closing entries on the giveaway. Let's do one race right now. Market is getting that push down. All right, you guys ready for the first giveaway of the night? Let's go. Let me get my Moose Race hat on. Here we go. We'll do another one right after. Come on, come on, come on. Jay Styles on the inside lane here. We got Candle King Trader. On the inside, Novatail MNQ up there in the top. My Funny Futures Builder account must be present in the win. We got Madi out in the front. Ethan also out in the front. Wow. Seeing some familiar names here. Caveman. 18 seconds. Backup phone. Out to a lead. Are they going to keep the lead? Are they going to fall back? Wow, this is interesting. NQ Man. NQ Man. Congratulations. Are you here? Look at NASDAQ just pushing down here. I had to do a giveaway because I'm having FOMO. NQ Man, are you here? Oh, yeah, let's go. NQ Man right there. Awesome. Did you come in last, Adrian? No, Zeus linked it, and then followed by Joshua Verkler. Congratulations. Guys, NQ Man, congratulations. We will do another giveaway. Stay tuned. Don't leave. We will do another one. Don't leave. Nice, love a nice win. Yeah, nice. NQ Man, nice. Congratulations. NQ Man, do you want to rigged? Absolutely. If you're in the Discord, you can DM me. That's the easiest way. If you want to email me, that's fine too. Which way do you want to do? Yeah, same My Funny Futures account. I have another one I can give away. You can do Discord? Okay. Here's the link to the Discord. And what's your Discord name, NQ Man? So that way I know it's you DMing me and not some schemer and scammer. All right, are we gonna get the little push up here off the low? Nice little 20-point bounce there. Okay, Q, cool. Boom. Yeah, so I have to send that off. Oh, cool. I got it. Thank you so much, NQ man. Are you a fan of The Office, NQ man? Are you a fan of the show The Office? Just going off your email? I'm like an Office super fan, so. But yeah, I might take a few days for. You are? Nice. Nice. Love it. Yeah, my trade day sign-in is Scott's Tots. That's my trade day live account sign-in, Scott's Tots. All right, guys, we will do another giveaway here in a little bit. Man, nice little follow through on these outside bars. I'm really kicking myself in the ass. That's why I had to do a giveaway, because I was like, ugh, I got really frustrated after seeing that. No FOMO though, right? No FOMO. The Office never gets old. I watch it just about every night to go to sleep. It's like my lullaby. Here's BBL stripper, yeah. How do we sign up for the giveaway? I haven't thrown it back on yet. I want to do a quick one, so that way we can eliminate some bots. It's gonna be timed on the next one, so you gotta stay ready. Stay ready. But the show, I'm planning on ending the show in 30 minutes anyway, so. You watch Mindhunter? Yes. Dwight's awesome, yeah. Yeah, Mindhunter. I believe so. That's the one about the FBI profiler, right? I do like that show. Gotta recharge the tree, that's right. What is the next giveaway? It is for another My Funded Futures builder account. Really good account. I'm also going to give away 2 tomorrow on my Twitter account. So if you guys are on Twitter, or as the kids say X. I guess that's what the kids say nowadays. They call it X. Let's see. Here's my link. That is my channel over on X. Almost 2,400 followers. So pretty excited about that. Just give me a follow over there. I am doing a giveaway over there as well. You can just scroll down my posts and you'll see this one right here. And I'm drawing that tomorrow. I don't know when tomorrow, but probably when I wake up. I can't get used to the whole X thing. I always call it Twitter. I know. Yo, I'm a bot signal. I'm waiting for the signal. I'm putting lots of money on the line. Take notes, yeah. We try another. You know, one of these times I'm going to try a bounce off this low here, and I'm going to be a hero. But, man, nice little outside bar here on the 2-minute. It is the bottom of the hour. That might be something to eliminate, is these top of the hours, bottom of the hour outside bars. They don't tend to work well. That just like this one. All right, because oftentimes we can it'll put in just from the volatility a little spike. Kind of interesting there. I'm gonna try this again. Maybe if we break that 51 on this 2-minute bar, but I'm also gonna take note because where it is. Kind of that second candle at the top and bottom of the hour where this one didn't work either. I don't know. It probably all just plays out though, right? Take note. Let's go long. Thinking about it. If we break above that 50 again, I don't know. It's looking awful bearish to me. I might just hold off. I can take this hat off for now. Candle dealer in the house. What's up, the moose hat? I just did a moose race, but I'm gonna do another one here. God, it's just, I don't know. I don't feel good about taking the long either. I almost want to take the long just for stream, but I really don't feel good about it. I wonder if they sell moose hat themes, one for Halloween, one for Christmas. Yeah, maybe. You're looking for 859 for you to go long. All right, let's start a giveaway here. Exclamation point pine in the chat. I'm giving you guys 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and I'm cutting it off. Hard 2 minutes, too. Exclamation point pine. What's my very favorite daily payout prop firm? Without a question, take Profit Trader. Without a doubt. Not even, no hesitation. Off the ground in the house. What's up? Yeah, exactly. 2 minutes is all I got. No hesitation. That's right. What makes them my favorite? Tradeify makes the end of the day. You can make a lot more money. You can have 5 accounts. When they move you to live, like Tradeify, they cap you at $1,000 a day, which is still great, but take Profit Trader, you can make a lot more money throughout the day. Then when you move you to live, they move you with 5 accounts. So that's pretty sweet. Trying to take a long here. Oh man, come on. I'm long on my pro accounts, but I'm not long on anything else because it didn't Copy trade. Let me just close this out. Close. All right, we hop in long again. Boy, I just fumbled the freaking bag on this one. I had an order sitting there, and then I closed it, and then I marked it in. So I just fumbled that big time. All right, I'm back long here. Forgot about the giveaway. Closing entries on the giveaway. Stops at break even. This is on 5 funded My Funded Future accounts. 1 mini. Come on, see if we can get 10 points here. Give me 63.50. We're going to do the giveaway here as soon as I'm out of this trade. Sorry, guys. We'll take that. We'll take that. Let's go. We'll take that for 230. All right, got a little bit back. Got some money back on that. Up 283 on that one, 150 on the others. All right, let's do another giveaway. Nice little scalp. I tried to get in off this outside bar. I fumbled the bag big time, so cost myself about 3 points. And when you're trading a mini, 3 points is, could be significant, right? All right. Let's give away another account here. $315. That's pretty good. I gave you guys an extra few minutes, so, or actually an extra minute. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the chart. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. The 1 minute millionaire in the house. Power strikeout to an early lead. Oh, I forgot to put the Moose Trade hat on. It's a good thing. I remember to put it on because whoever won would have been disqualified. No, I'm just kidding. But Himsma on the inside lane here, pushing up through. We got Rosanna's fighting for that lead. What else we got? We got Millsman. We got Ether Shock battling out here. Liquidity Roots pushing up Bodine. All battling for that first place there. My Funny Futures builder account up for grabs. Must be present to win. Must not be disqualified for My Funny Futures as well. I gotta have a My Funny Futures email to win too, or at least get one. Wow, Ethan, you were so close there, Ethan. I just saw you. Who's this gonna be? Oh, let's go. The Tick Pirate, Yo Jim, and Ethan coming in 2 and 3. So close, Ethan and Yo Jim. The Tick Pirate. Who's in last place? The Trading Triangle is in last place. The Tick Pirate, congratulations. Oh, let's go. The Tick Pirate right there. Congratulations. Yeah, nice win. Beautiful. Wow, nice. Here we go. We're getting that little push back up. Congratulations, Tick Pirate. If you want to message me on Discord or email, Discord's easier, but either way. Pushing up here, 29,880s. Here's a Discord link if you guys want to join the Discord. Got about yeah, we're almost at 800 in Discord members too, guys. So yeah, Discord's free. Am I going back long? I probably should have, but no. Oh, okay, cool, Tick Pirate. You just sent me. What's your? Just to confirm. I'm sure it's you, but what's your Discord handle? I just want to confirm with you. All right, cool. Yep. All right. Just need your My Funny Futures email, and we'll do that. Might take a day or two for them to issue that account, Fusion Funds, but congratulations. And let's do... Guys, it is a holiday. It's Memorial Day. Thank you guys for being here. We had almost 300... We had 399 people hanging out. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Let's do a members only race. Everyone's going boo. Members are like, yeah. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Guys, giving away another account, My Funded Futures Builder account. If you're a member, exclamation point Pine. Nice long there off that low. Shoulda, woulda, coulda held it. Scalped it out, but let's see, what kind of race am I going to do? I think I'm going to do camel race. All right, members, I'll give you guys one more minute to get that in. Exclamation point Pine. If you're a member, exclamation point Pine. Nice push up here off that low. Inside bar. Or outside followed by the inside bar. Or an inside bar followed by an outside bar. Actually, nice little push off that 2 minute. Nice inside bar 5 minute push. After sweeping that low. Who would have thunk it? But nice little bounce there off the Finet fair value gap as well. Which was down there at 838, 840. So nice little play there. Getting a little V-bottom action. We've got about 13 minutes before the Tokyo Open. All right, guys, we got all the members in here. I think we do. Closing entries here. And let's see. Anyone can chat now. All right, let's do another race here real quick for the members. Whoops. All right, good luck, members. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Who's it gonna be? Some sort of info. Oh, DJ, I appreciate that. I mean, Brokey, yeah, all you grays get to chat now. That's for sure. All you grays get to chat. Honor of the camel, yeah. 10 seconds. Wild Deuces. Congratulations, Wild Deuces. I saw Genie making a run. I thought Genie was going to take the lead there for a second. Came up out of nowhere. Who finished last? Apple finished last. Wild Deuces, congrats. All right. Nice little push down here. 2 minute outside bar off that 80s. Your camel died? Yeah. Nice little 10 points off that. You camel took a nap? Yeah. One more. I got no more accounts. That's it. Yeah, I'm giving away 2 more on My Funded Futures tomorrow, though. No, sorry. Not My Funded Futures. 2 My Funded Futures accounts on X tomorrow. So come join the giveaway over there. Well, that's it. Let's see. Wild Deuces, Discord. Hit me up. Fusion Funds, I got you that email. Congrats. So once I do my giveaway tomorrow on X, then I'm gonna email My Funded Futures with all the emails. Wild berries, okay. Oh, nice, Wild Berries. You haven't won. At least I haven't messaged you on here yet. You haven't won an account before, so I love seeing that. Yeah, congratulations. Congrats. All right, guys. So I've taken some trades tonight. Had nice little wins. My biggest loss right now, or biggest losing trade, was taking this outside bar up here. Ended up getting yanked. Absolutely trapped me big time on that 2-minute break. Lost on that one. Hopped in off this one. Had a nice little scalp there. In hindsight, ended up pushing right back, testing that VWAP area. So we have Tokyo open here in just a few more minutes. So do I like to trade the first inside bar of the session in New York? Yeah, I do. I tend to look at that a lot. But lately, Netflix, I've been pretty much done before even the New York Open. Just kind of trading in Asia, getting my little base hits. Especially with Take Profit Trader, I lock it in for the day. I do lose. There is something to be said. Like, I do lose a lot of funded accounts during the first half hour of New York. It's kind of a boom and bust thing. So I've been trying to avoid it for the most part. But if I go to try to trade an eval and try to get a half a smash or pass or smash, then I'll try to trade that during New York and do it then. But yeah, and if I do trade New York to open, I've been trading a lot of micros, so like 2-3 micros, just kind of doing it that way. Funded, what's up? You missed. Oh, that's okay. Guys, we do giveaways all the time. Probably do another one later this week. We'll definitely do more giveaways. If I get accounts to give away, I give them away to you guys. Oftentimes, these prop firms, they'll give us accounts. We can use them or give them away. So, and I tend to give back to you guys as much as possible because they wouldn't give me accounts unless you guys use code PINE and to help support the channel anyway. So I figure it's fun. It's fun for the channel. It brings engagement as well. And I try to give back as much as possible. I think last month, not this past month, but Month of April, we gave away over $6,000 worth of accounts. This month, probably going on about the same. So I appreciate that support. Thank you guys for using code PINE. I'm not even sure what the sales are right at the moment. I didn't really pay much attention to it, but do I trade 7 a.m.? Oh, I usually wake up about half hour before the open. Maybe an hour before the open, the New York Open. Yeah, I'm kind of I stay up. Lately, I've been staying up 1, 2 in the morning, so just... Hey, Sacred Stonks, man. Just grilled up some fresh Maine oysters. So nice. Very nice. Nobody wants to join in a Memorial Day Pirate Adventure mode, Timo? I didn't even see that. I'll do it. I'll do it. You always can do slots too, I think. Oh, there we go. I don't know why it's not working for me. Oh, there we go. There it works. All right, nice little... All right, 2 minutes before the open here. Inside bar has to be, yes, the bar and the wick. The body and the wick, I mean, within that previous candle. Yep. That's the way I trade them. I see some other traders trading inside bars, outside bars. Now, guys, like I said, I don't really trade the inside on of 2 minute. Now they do work pretty well, as you can see. You can catch some nice moves. I just haven't really been trading them like that. But there's people in the chat that have good success with it. So it's just a foundation, right? So you kind of just find your own way if you are looking for that type of trades. All right, pushing down here below that 880s. 30 seconds before the Tokyo Open. What's it gonna be? Need some training on execution speed. I mark it in a lot. Sometimes I'm not mark it, but I'll join bid or join ask. Like I said, it's more of a psychological thing. It's like, woof, woof. All right, Tokyo Open, guys. More of a psychological thing, just knowing like what I'm trying to accomplish on, like, as far as, am I looking for $200 a day? Like, that gives me a good target. So be like, yeah, okay, well, I'll get that $200 a day. Am I looking for $300 a day, $400 a day? So that really helps me. Like, if I'm on my Lucid accounts, this right here, I've been done. 283, that's close enough. 300 on my 25K Lucid direct to fundeds with that 20% consistency. It's like, I'm done on those accounts. So I'll just look for maybe another trade on another account, you know, that kind of stuff. So that's pretty much what I do. I tried not to get too technical about it. Like, you know, oh, I'm looking for a 2R, 3R, 5R, 1R. Like, I'm kind of just using this as the foundation, looking for what I really need to get, and then just calling it a day. Guys, thank you so much for being here tonight. We almost hit 400 concurrent viewers tonight. 399 was the peak. Didn't quite cross over that 400, but I'm sure we'll do it soon. The channel is growing like crazy. We're almost up to 8,000 subs. Almost got 2,400 people on X, followers. My TikTok, my Instagram, all growing like crazy. The Discord is growing like crazy, which is completely free. Guys, thank you so much for using code PINE. I really, really appreciate it. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my 3-day weekend, right? And come back tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern time on My Funded Futures TV. Or I'll be back right back here at 6 o'clock or 5:45 Eastern time PM, right for the Globex Open. We are getting the Tokyo Open is rug pulling here. Getting that pushed down. But thank you guys so much for using code PINE. I appreciate it so much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations to the winners that won the giveaways. Really appreciate the support. Use code PINE. All right, guys. Peace.
Building.
Thanks, everyone.
We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV. Funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, Funded Futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, Funded Futures TV. Shout out